Audio AI and Artificial Intelligence. AI Advanced Level. Introduction. Artificial intelligence is not limited to text and images. It can also understand and generate sound. This field is known as audio AI. Audio AI enables machines to recognize speech, generate human-like voices, analyze sounds, create music. It is widely used in voice assistants, transcription systems, music generation, call center automation, accessibility tools. What is audio AI? Audio AI refers to AI systems that can process, understand, and generate audio signals such as speech, music, and environmental sounds. In simple terms, audio AI equals AI that understands and creates sound. Example concept. Audio input means AI means transcription or response. Example. Speech means AI means, hello. How can I help you? Quote. Why audio AI is important. Audio AI is important because it enables natural human-computer interaction, supports accessibility, speech to text, automates voice-based systems, enhances communication, powers voice-driven applications. Example concept. Voice interaction means intelligent systems. Key areas of audio AI. 1. Speech recognition. ASR. Converts speech into text. Example. Audio means convert this speech to text. Used in voice assistants, transcription tools. 2. Text-to-speech. TTS. Generates speech from text. Example. Text means AI means spoken audio. 3. Speaker recognition. Identifies who is speaking. Example. Voice means AI means this is John. 4. Emotion detection. Detects emotions in speech. Example. Voice tone means AI means happy or angry. 5. Music generation. Creates music using AI. Examples. AI composers. Background music generation. 6. Audio classification. Classifies sounds. Example. Sound means AI means dog barking. How audio AI works. Audio AI converts sound into numerical representations. Example concept. Audio waveform. Down-pointing arrow. Feature extraction. Spectrogram. MFCC. Down-pointing arrow. Model processing. Down-pointing arrow. Output. Text. Label. Or audio. Audio representation. Waveform. Raw audio signal. Spectrogram. Visual representation of frequencies. MFCC. Mel frequency cepstral coefficients. Commonly used audio features. Models used in audio AI. Recurrent neural networks. RNNs. Sequence modeling. CNNs. Audio feature extraction. Transformers. Modern speech and audio processing. Generative models. Audio and music generation. Example Python code. Speech recognition concept. Audio equals input underscore audio dot wave. Def speech underscore to underscore text. Audio. Return hello world. Print. Speech underscore to underscore text. Audio. Real world applications of audio AI. Voice assistants. Siri. Alexa. Call centers. Automated responses. Accessibility. Speech to text for hearing impaired. Healthcare. Voice-based diagnostics. Media and entertainment. Music generation. Audio editing. Advantages of audio AI. Advantages include natural interaction, automation of voice tasks, improved accessibility, scalable communication, real-time processing. Example concept. Audio AI means human-like interaction. Challenges of audio AI. Challenges include background noise, accents and language diversity, real-time processing complexity, data requirements, privacy concerns. Audio AI versus text AI. Text AI processes written data, Audio AI processes sound and speech. Future of audio AI. Future trends include more natural voice generation, multilingual speech systems, real-time translation, emotion-aware AI, multimodal audio plus video systems. Example concept. Voice AI means next-gen interaction. Concepts learned from audio AI. Understanding audio AI helps learners understand. Checkmark how machines process sound. Checkmark how speech is converted into text. Checkmark how AI generates human-like voices. Checkmark how audio features are extracted. Checkmark how multimodal AI systems work. Simple definition. Audio AI. AI systems that can process, understand, and generate audio such as speech and music. Final summary. Audio AI enables machines to understand and generate sound, making human-computer interaction more natural. It includes technologies like speech recognition, text-to-speech, and music generation. From voice assistants to healthcare and accessibility, audio AI is transforming industries. Understanding audio AI is essential for building AI systems that interact through voice and sound.